Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So, on our the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, $1,099 is the first tablet that casts a literal shadow over the iPad Pro. With its ginormous 14.6-inch OLED display, this Android slate makes the iPad Pro seem cute by comparison. And with the optional keyboard attached and improved multi-window mode, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra could potentially replace a laptop. Samsung is clearly targeting hybrid and at-home workers with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, as it packs dual front cameras with support to up to 4K resolution for video calls as well as auto-framing for keeping you in the frame as you move around. There's advanced noise reduction to make sure you come through loud and clear. Other highlights of the Tab S8 Ultra include a fast Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, a low-latency S Pen experience, 45W charging and improved integration with Galaxy S series phones. There are 3 different models to choose from. The entry-level Tab S8 Ultra comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Its mid-range counterpart packs 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The higher-end model features 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. The profile is strikingly thin in person, though it's not easy to hold this slate with one hand due to the large display. Remarkably, the Tab S8 Ultra is both lighter and thinner than the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Like the new MacBook Pro 14-inch and MacBook Pro 16-inch, the Galaxy Tab S8 has a notch in the top center of the screen. Fortunately, the notch is discreet and doesn't draw too much attention to itself. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra features a large 14.6-inch, 2960 by 1848, AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This is significantly larger than the 12.4-inch Galaxy Tab S7 Plus or 12.9-inch iPad Pro. The resolution beats the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus and 11-inch iPad Pro but doesn't quite match up to the larger iPad Pro's Liquid Retina XDR Mini LED panel. A large screen invites creatives to use the Tab S8 Ultra as a sketching or editing canvas. Through the Samsung Notes app, you can jot down reminders on your tablet and then pull them up on your Samsung smartphone later. During our hands-on time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, the screen was a bit more reflective than we'd like, but it produces a bright and vivid picture, and scrolling felt smooth. You can also turn the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra into a portable second monitor with touchscreen capabilities for Galaxy PCs. This feature greatly enhances side-by-side multitasking. The enhanced Samsung DeX, which takes the Tab S8 Ultra from tablet mode to desktop mode, allows for transparent app windows and DeX mirroring when you want to share the tablet's screen on an external display. Unlike the single 12MP cameras on its standard Tab S8 and Tab S8 Plus siblings, there are 2 12MP cameras on the front of the Tab S8 Ultra, covering main and ultra-wide duties. The back has 13MP and 6MP cameras, just like the other Galaxy Tab S8 models. For comparison, the iPad Pro has a 12MP ultra-wide camera on the front and 12MP main and 10MP ultra-wide cameras on the back, alongside LiDAR sensors for AR applications. While trying out the front cameras on the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, I was impressed with just how much more of the room the tablet captures when I switched from the wide to the ultra-wide camera. Auto-framing technology automatically keeps you in focus during calls, while also zooming in or out to include new participants as they join you. Samsung wanted to deliver a better video conferencing experience with the Tab S8 series, and the ultra-wide front-facing cameras certainly facilitate that. In addition, the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra includes 3 mics with noise cancellation software, which should help minimize distractions and you're holding video calls. The rear and front cameras are capable of recording video in 4K, a feature that's sure to draw the attention of content creators and streamers. Samsung Screen Recorder's customizable selfie videos feature allows creators record gameplay and themselves with ease. A soon-to-be-released editing tool called LumaFusion will let you use the stylus to make precise edits to videos. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra has a 11,200 mAh battery. That's a bit larger than the 10,090 mAh found in the Tab S7 Plus. The tablet supports 45W charging that, according to Samsung, can get the tablet to 100% in 80 minutes. The company says the tablet lasts up to 15 hours. Samsung also says the tablet can act as a portable charger for other devices you decide to plug into it. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra does something that most Android tablets fail to do: grab your attention. This thing sucks you in with its mammoth 14.6-inch display, and the optional keyboard turns the Tab S8 Ultra into one of the thinnest and lightest laptops around. Samsung deserves credit for catering to professionals who crave better video and audio quality during video calls, and we're hopeful that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip will be able to keep up with Samsung's multitasking software chops. Well, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.